My lovelies, if you see a slideshow, know it's an old project. I found this one at a garage sale. I love the design. I love the mahogany look, but I wanted a dramatic transformation. Have a look. I used an electric sander to prepare the surfaces for painting. For this project, I used a normal painting brush. Wanted to try the Wilko satin finish, quick dry paint. Wait for the result. The sander comes with 3-strength sandpapers. You get the P120, P100 and P80. I plan to continue using it for all my future upcycles for sure. Girly girls also have gadgets other than straighteners. This is the look after so much fun sanding down. These were the moldings on the chest drawers, all sanded with sandpaper. I decided to sand the insides of the chest drawers as well. There are different products to use for cleaning the wood. I used odorless white spirit. After drying, I added a coat of cheap and cheerful Wilko primer with a white finish. Remember the moldings that I sanded? Sprayed some lovely metallic gold from Plastico. So the primer I applied earlier has dried. Painting all done. I'm not going to lie, a lot of work was put in, but I always enjoyed the painting. And that's the 2 chest drawers done. They look so different. The gold gave it that French style furniture look. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I hope I have inspired you to be more creative. Kindly subscribe to my channel, share with friends and family.